So if you have an e-commerce website or a WordPress website generally, and you notice that your emails are going to spam, so this is how you can fix that. So what you do is, there's a plugin you are going to install. So you come over to plugins. So you click on add new. So in case you don't have a plugin, you click on add new plugin. Then you search for WP Mail. Okay. So this is it here, WP Mail SMTP by WP Form. So I have it installed and activated already. So you should also do the same. Go ahead and install and activate the plugin. Now, while that is activating, you come over to your hosting. All right. So this is my hosting platform. Hosting Java comes highly recommendable, and they are currently offering 75% discount on their hosting plan. So you can use the link on your screen to get access to that offer. All right. So once you are logged in into your hosting platform, so come over to emails. All right, so once you're on emails, if you don't have a custom emails for your e-commerce website, for example, now this one is created using this particular domain that you are seeing here. So I already have a custom email, and that's what I'm going to use. So if you don't have a custom emails, I'll still walk you through how to create that. But I already have it. So what I'll just do is I'll just click on manage. So email accounts. So you can see I already have a custom email, which is this info@agbleze.com. So what I'll just do is to log in. So I'll just come over here and click on access web mail, right? So you can see the email is already open up. So I already have it created, info@agbleze.com. I'm just going to show you how to create yours if you don't have. So just come over to this gear icon, which is the settings. So scroll down, you're going to see configure third-party apps. So click on configure third-party apps. All right, so just scroll down. Now you see this information here is what we are going to be making use of. So configure using IMAP. So this information here is what we need. So let's go back to our plugin now. So our plugin has been installed, which is right here. So you come over to your settings. Right. So once you scroll down, so this is where you're going to enter your from email. So that's the email, the custom email that we created. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to put in is your front name. Like once an email is being delivered, what should it show as the front name? So I just put in the name of my store. Okay, so once you come to mailer, you come here and select order SMPT. You can see it, order SMPT. So you scroll down and then you provide this information. You can see where we have SMPT host. So this information that you're seeing here, smpt.titanemail.com. So you come over here and paste it. So you can see it here, smpt.titan.email. Now for inscription, you select this TSL. So if you look at it from here, you can see it here, it said SSL or TSL. Then for the port 465, so you come over to your WordPress site, you can see it here, you put in your SMPT port. Now for your SMPT username and your password, now you put in your custom email and the password. All right, so that's the password you use to create your custom email, like for your custom email. So it's the password you are going to put here. All right, so once that is done, you go ahead and then you save the settings. Now, all things being equal, with that, your email will start delivering. Okay, and if you're also having issues with email going to spam, the same process you are going to go through for you to fix your email going to spam. Now, let me come back to my hosting now. So I said earlier that if you don't have a custom email already, for you to create it, just come over to emails. So you can see the options to claim your free emails. Okay, so you just click here, then you select your domain. All right, so you click here. If you have a list of other domains, it's going to appear here. So you select your domain. So let me just go ahead and use this other domain because I already have an email created with this other domain. So you see the option to select the free plan. So get started with the free plan. So you select free. So once this page open up, this is where you're going to put your initial. So that means maybe you want to use info@your domain name.com. For example, you want to use info@tyler.com.ng, or maybe you want to use my name, you want to use prosper@tyler.com.ng. You're free to do that. Then this is where you're going to put in your password. So you put in your password, can see minimum of 8 characters, and then you also put in your recovery email. Maybe you forgot your password and you want to reset your password. So your recovery email will actually help you to retrieve the account. So let me put in the password and recovery email real quick. After putting in those information, just go ahead and click on create new accounts. So you can see now, and for you to access your web mail, so maybe at any point in time you want to log in into your custom email, like you can see here, you just go to hostinja.titan.email/mail. So you see it right here. Okay, so let me access the web mail again. So log in the email address. This is it. I click on next. It's asking for the password. So I've put in my password and I go ahead and log in. To confirm your recovery email, so make sure you confirm your recovery email. So you can see I'm currently logged in. So I've created a custom email. This is how you create a custom email. Now, once you create the custom email, you're going to be seeing with all of these. So just go ahead and click on get started. So pop up quite a number of information for you. Okay, so you can see once you are logged in, you can see just come over to settings again, and you can see configure third-party apps. That's where you're going to get all the information you're going to provide for them. So once you create your custom email, there are other settings that you might need to do, but that's not what I'm going to cover in this video. But just to tell you, so this is where you can put in your logo, set your preference, you can set your email signature and the likes. Okay, so come back here. Don't forget SMPT. WP Mail SMPT is the plugin that you're going to install and set up to help you fix your WooCommerce email. Either it is not delivering or it is going to spam. So guys, I hope you find value in the video. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up. If you have any question relating to WooCommerce or e-commerce generally, do leave them in the comment section below. And also check out the playlist on e-commerce. There are a lot of videos that has to do with e-commerce that you find very helpful. So thank you very much for watching, guys. My name is Prosper, and I'll see you on another video. Bye for now.